We have multiplication of polynomials. How we do this? We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have n times this whole expression in parenthesis. So we have n times t squared plus mt minus nt minus mn. And now we have to multiply t times this whole expression in parenthesis. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. First we have to distribute n over each term in the polynomial. So we have n t squared times t squared. Next we have positive times positive, so it will be positive sign. N times m t. Positive times negative, so will be negative sign. N times n t, and positive times negative will be negative. When we don't have signs, always positive. N times m n. And now we have to distribute t over each term in the parentheses. So will be plus t times t squared. Positive times positive give me positive. Positive times positive, so will be positive t times mt. Positive times negative give me negative t times nt. Positive times negative will be negative t times mn. So this is equal. First we have to do multiplication. And t squared we have to rewrite. Next we have n times mt, so we don't have the same variables, so we have to rewrite this. Will be n mt. Next we have negative sign. N times n give me n squared, and t we have to copy. Minus we have n times n is n squared, and m we have to rewrite. Plus we have t times t squared is t to third power. When we have the same base, we copy the base and we add exponents. When we don't have exponents, invisible one. This we can use only when we have multiplication. So we have t times t squared is t cubed. Plus t times t give me t squared, m we have to rewrite. And again negative sign. T times t give me t squared, and n we have to copy. And we have negative sign. We have mn t, because I have here n m, so I will write in the same order variables n m t. So this is equal. Now we have to check if we can combine something. We have n t squared, negative n t squared, so we can cancel out. We have positive mnt and negative mnt, so this whole term we can cancel out. Now we have negative n squared t, negative n squared m, they are different, t cubed, mt squared. So the rest we have to rewrite. I will start from the highest power of t, so it will be t cubed. Next will be plus mt squared, and next we have negative n squared t and negative n squared m. This is my solution.